So we got new counters and they look so lovely. We just had the laminate counters before, so now we have quartz and it's so beautiful. And we also got undermount sinks with it. Oh my god, like so nice. We still have to hook up the plumbing for this, like the drain's a little bit off here. Because it's undermount, everything like shifted lower, so we're gonna have to fix this guy. So, I'm getting Backsplash all the way up the wall, and I'll insert some pictures as to what tile I chose for that. But on the sides, I don't know, I just don't like Backsplash on the sides. So we're going to be mudding this and sanding it down and painting it. So we're gonna see we're gonna see how well I do this. We're gonna give it a go. See what we can do with sheer will. So, got this all-purpose drywall compound, and I got my putty knife. I mean, how satisfying, right? First of all, we're gonna need more of this. I'm honestly keeping this so neat and tidy. Oh, and of course, the minute I say that, it's like, no, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I kind of killed this one. So this is the second coat. I'm going to sand it and I think it'll be done. So that's with sanding. I'm not quite done. I'm gonna go over it with a finishing sand now. This is just dust. But I mean, that's pretty seamless. Like, I think I did a really good job. It's not as hard as you'd think. And then that's what it kind of looked like before, just to give you an idea. But yeah. Okay, so this is like a mini reveal for you all. I can only back up so much in this bathroom. Hold on. There we go. Zoomed out a little. See, backsplash to the top of the ceiling, but not on the sides. I think that's kind of the vibe. I have not painted this yet, so you can kind of see like the peeled stuff behind it still. Still waiting on this faucet to come in. But again, right to the ceiling, looking amazing. It's actually the exact same tile that we have in the shower, except in gray. And the reason I did that was, okay, this tile, it's so easy to clean. It never looks dirty. So I've had like all white. So even this, so this is like pretty durable. Like if you have a tub like this, like a full shower unit, you know they'll last forever. But it gets dirty and it looks dirty. This never looks dirty, ever. And it cleans so easy. And apparently it was really easy to tile with as well, like and to install. Okay, and this is the ensuite, the master bath. Okay, how cute is this that I got? It has like the green from the teals and the gold, and I don't know, like this whole thing looks amazing to me. Like really, I love how everything came together. Now it feels like my house is finished. Same backsplash in the kitchen. Please ignore that, like my kitchen's a little bit of a mess right now, but I just wanted to quick show you guys. The final thing, I said in one of my shorts that I want to use the ginkgo leaves because we have a ginkgo tree in the backyard. I wanted like maybe wallpaper, maybe stenciling, but I found this and I was like, yes, 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 yes. And the red, I just had that out for Christmas and I know it's March, but so I do have to get, like I usually have this as a white thing. But I honestly don't even know where it is. I need to find the white towel so I can change it because it's clashing. But yeah. Thanks for watching that process. It's been like a month since I started this video, but yeah, like upgrading the home a little bit. Now we're kind of all done the upstairs decorating, and then next year when we've got the finances for it, I want to do the basement. So, but this space is officially for me decorated.